Hello students, myself Swati. This is your online class. Yes, today last video of mine on YouTube was on coordinate geometry that of class 9th, that is your third chapter. We have completed the theory of 3.2 exercise. Now today we will discuss the question answers of this exercise. Okay, so let us come on the exercise. Open your book, all of you, your NCERT book. Exercise 3.2 question number first part. You can see what it is saying. Okay. What is the name of horizontal and vertical lines drawn to determine the position of any point in Cartesian plane? So I think you remember, all of you remember that how we are making the lines in Cartesian plane. Yes, this was your x-axis and this was your y-axis. The name of x-axis is abscissa and the name of y-axis is ordinate. Okay, so that you have to tell this is your horizontal line. So horizontal line is having a name of abscissa and vertical line is having a name of ordinate. So that will be your answer of the first part. Okay, now the second part, what is the name of each part of plane formed by these two lines? So can you see that there are two lines, x-axis and y-axis, and this x and y-axis is dividing this plane in four parts: first, second, third and fourth. And these all four parts are known as quadrant. Just like I will say, the first is the first quadrant, second quadrant, third quadrant, fourth quadrant. Okay, now now the third part is write the name of point where these two lines intersect. So we have to tell the point. See the question, what it is saying. We have to tell the name of the point where these two lines are intersecting. Can you tell me? I think more than 50% students can tell what it is. Yes, it is origin. So first question almost completed we have. Okay, now we have to start with the second question. Yes, second question is a little tricky, so you have to take care of it. First of all, there is a figure. So first of all, you can see in the figure what are the points. Okay, first I'll make the figure. It will take time, but yes, I have to draw it. Whenever you are drawing any kind of like line, whenever you will draw the points on this, you always have to make the equal gaps. Okay, always you have to name the axis. Like this is your x-axis, so other side will be x dash. Okay, upside is y and downward will be y dash. Okay, now on the upper one you can see how many numbers are there. With equal gaps you have to take. Okay, with the scale you can make, like on scale you can take a gap of 2 cm as 1 unit. Okay, on right hand and left hand of this, -1, -2, -3, -4, -5. Downward of y-axis, -1, -2, -3, -4, and last is -5. Okay, now you can see that there is a point D which is made up like this. This is your D point. Now on this side there is a point B which is made on 5, 2, 2. So this is your B point. Okay, there is H from 5, -5 only, -5 to -3. So that point is your point H. Now E from -3, from -3 to -5. Yes, this is your point E. Okay, now in this quadrant it is G from 2 to -4. Okay, that is your point G. The way I am making it, in the same way you have to draw this diagram on graph paper. I think everyone you know what is graph. A green colored paper where boxes are made. So the same thing you have to do on the graph paper, students. Take care of this. You will not draw it on the notebook. Okay. Now question number second part first. write the following, the coordinate of B. So can you see that coordinate of B? Always remember, we are always taking the x-axis first. Coordinate of B, can you tell me on which place it is meeting the x-axis? Yes, on -5. And what about y-axis? Yes, on 2. Similarly, second part, coordinate of C. I think coordinate of C you can do. Where is C? Can you tell me? On 4th quadrant. So yes, C's point you will tell yourself, that is your work. Okay, something you also have to do. Now third part, the point identified by the coordinate -3, -5. C, -3, -5. So first -3 is for x-axis. So find on x-axis where is -3? Here it is -3. On y-axis where is -5? This is. So can you see that this is your point E? Yes, this is your point E. Okay. Now fourth is same as the third, so that you will do yourself, fourth part. Fifth part, abscissa of point D. Can you tell me abscissa of point D? First of all, tell me what are the points, coordinates of point D. So point D is having x-axis 6 and y it is having 2. So 6, 2. So what is the abscissa? Abscissa means x. Abscissa means x coordinate. So what is the x coordinate of this D point? Yes, it is 6. So what is the abscissa of this D point? It is 6. Okay. Ordinate of point H. I think ordinate is y-axis. So for H you will tell me what is the y. That is your work. I will not tell you. The coordinate of the point L. Here the point L. Can you tell me where is L? In which coordinate it is? Yes, we have not made L actually. Here it is. You can see in the book we have left over. This is your L. So can you see that on this L there is no value of x, or can you see it is the value of x over here is actually 0. So what will be the value of x? 0. And what is the value of y? 5. इसका करने का एक तरीका भी है, मैं अपने क्लास में बच्चों को ऐसे करवाती हूँ क्योंकि जनरली बच्चे इसमें कंफ्यूज हो जाते हैं. तो करना क्या है आपको, देखो जब भी कोई पॉइंट y एक्सिस पे है तो आपको किस तरीके से याद करना है. अगर कोई पॉइंट y एक्सिस पे है तो उसका पॉइंट आप y का लिख लो, और x कुछ नहीं का मतलब 0, तो आपको इसको कैसे बनाना है? 0,5. सपोज से अगर मैं ये बोलूं कि यहाँ पे मैं एक पॉइंट ले रही हूं, ठीक है, तो ये पॉइंट किस पे है? x एक्सिस पे है. देखना आप ध्यान से जरा, ये पॉइंट किस एक्सिस पे है? x एक्सिस पे है. तो x का तो पॉइंट क्या हो जाएगा? 3. पर क्या y है यहाँ पे? कुछ नहीं, y कुछ भी नहीं, और कुछ भी नहीं का क्या मतलब होता है? 0. तो क्या होगा कोऑर्डिनेट? 3,0. कई बच्चे इसमें कंफ्यूज हो जाते हैं. कई बार बच्चे क्या करते हैं, इसको 5,0 कर देते हैं, इसको 0,3. तो टेक केयर ऑफ दिस इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. अगर आप ध्यान से करोगे तो बिल्कुल भी गलत होने के चांसेस नहीं है. बेटा कोऑर्डिनेट ध्यान रखना. कोऑर्डिनेट मीन्स बोथ x as well as y. If we are talking about both, then it is coordinate. But here you have to take care of abscissa, ordinate and coordinate. Yes, up to exercise 3.2 it is done. Thank you.